All right, let's see. What is 4.5 psi absolute engage pressure? Ooh, now we're getting it's getting tricky. Okay, so let's see. The gauge pressure is, whoops, absolute pressure is gauge pressure plus 1 atmosphere, right? Whoops, 1, that's a 1 ATM. All right, so let's see. We want 4.5 is equal to the gauge pressure, and then in atmosphere we are in psi, right? So we got to put that in for the atmosphere, right? Okay. So if I solve this for this, I'm going to go 4.5 minus 14.7, and I get negative 10.2, right? So the gauge pressure is negative 10.2 psi, right? And you can easily have negative gauge pressures all the way down to, in psi, down to 14.7. A total vacuum, you'd say, is negative 14.7 psi gauge. But as far as absolute pressures, it's very hard to get a negative absolute pressure. That means that the whatever it is instead of pressing on the wall of the container, it's actually pulling on the wall of the container, which is hard to do, but it's not impossible.